Most people think creating a digital product takes experience, skills, or a big idea, but the truth is, you can create your first AI-powered digital product today, and it's a lot simpler than you think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create your first AI digital product, even if you've never built anything before. No pressure, no overwhelm, just a clear, simple path you can follow. Digital products are powerful because you create them once, and they can help people over and over again. AI makes the process faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. You don't need to be an expert, you just need a direction. Let's start with something easy. AI can help you create ebooks, templates, checklists, guides, workbooks, mini courses. Pick the one that feels the least intimidating. Simple is better. Simple gets finished. You don't need to be a master, just choose something you've experienced in your own life. It could be a skill you've learned, a problem you've solved, a process you understand, a hobby you enjoy. If you can explain it to a friend, you can turn it into a digital product. Now open your favorite AI tool. Tell it what you want to create. Give it your topic, give it a style, give it a purpose. Let the AI create the first draft for you. This is your starting point, not the final product. This is where your voice matters. Read through what the AI created, add your examples, add your stories, add your perspective. This is what makes your product feel real and what makes people trust it. Now take your content and package it. Turn it into a PDF, a template, a workbook, or a short guide. Keep the design clean. Keep the layout simple. Your goal is clarity, not complexity. Once your product is ready, upload it to a platform like Gumroad, Etsy, your website, or use it as a lead magnet to grow your audience. You only need one product to start. One product can open the door to everything else. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to take the first step. AI gives you the tools. You bring the direction. That's the partnership that makes this work. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start, this is it. Your first AI digital product is closer than you think, and once you create one, you'll realize how much you're capable of. If you want to use the same tools I use, the link is in the description. Start your first AI product today. You've got this.